ikaw lang, ikaw. Minsan lang kita mag-videoan eh. Takot na takot ko sa camera. Akala mo, ganda mo ah.
For bonding with me. I entertain you because this is yeah, thank you so much. I want to entertain more Filipino, foreigner. Huh? Where? Live here? Yeah, I live here. Since birth. Live here in Kainta. So far. Here. But it's okay. I'm go turn around in Metro Manila. Turn around. I'm so happy, very, very happy. Ciao, thank you so much. Ciao. She's lagging.
So I missed the bus already.
Hi guys! Good morning. Big smile muna ako. Big smile. Good morning sa inyong lahat guys. Hi guys. Big smile. Ayan guys, no? May pasahero ko. Punta ng Cubao.